Have you ever felt that jolt of energy, that rush of aliveness after plunging into cold water? That's the power of the cold, my friends. It's a force that can awaken your senses, strengthen your body, and sharpen your mind. Cold showers, they're not just about getting clean, they're about transforming your daily routine into a ritual of resilience. And I, Wim Hof, am here to guide you on this invigorating journey. We'll unlock the power of the cold together. We're not going to jump into the frozen depths right away. We start slow, like a gentle stream flowing into a mighty river. Begin by incorporating cold water into your regular shower. At the end of your warm shower, turn the knob to cold, just for a few seconds. Feel that initial shock, that tingling sensation. Embrace it, breathe through it. This is your first step, your introduction to the power of the cold. Each day, extend the duration of the cold water, gradually building your tolerance and resilience. Remember, even a few seconds of cold exposure can have profound effects on your body and mind. Think of the cold as a friend, a powerful ally that you're getting to know. You wouldn't greet a new friend with a bear hug right away, would you? No, you'd approach them gradually, with respect and understanding. The same goes for the cold. As you become more comfortable with the initial cold burst, extend the duration of your cold exposure. Start with 10 seconds, then 15, then 20. Listen to your body, it will tell you when it's ready for more. This gradual exposure is key to unlocking the full potential of the cold. The breath is your anchor, your guide through the invigorating chill. As the cold water cascades over your body, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with life-giving oxygen. Hold the breath for a moment, embracing the cold's embrace. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or discomfort. Repeat this cycle, allowing your breath to regulate your body's response to the cold. Remember, the cold is a teacher, and your breath is your most attentive student. There's no right or wrong time for a cold shower. It's about finding what works best for you. Some people prefer a cold blast first thing in the morning, a jolt of energy to kickstart their day. Others find solace in a cold shower at night, a way to wash away the day's stresses and prepare for a restful sleep. Experiment, explore different times, and observe how your body and mind respond. The cold is a versatile tool, ready to be wielded whenever you need its invigorating touch. Just like a well-crafted symphony, a cold shower has its own rhythm, its own ideal duration. Start with short bursts, gradually increasing the time as your body adapts. Aim for 2 to 3 minutes of cold exposure, a duration that allows you to reap the full benefits without overwhelming your system. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to have shorter, regular cold showers than infrequent, prolonged exposures. Find your rhythm, your cold shower sweet spot. The cold is a mental game, a test of your willpower and resilience. Before you step under the icy cascade, take a moment to prepare your mind. Visualize the cold water, anticipate the initial shock, and embrace the invigorating sensation. Tell yourself that you are strong, you are capable, you are ready to conquer the cold. This mental fortitude will empower you to push your boundaries and unlock the full potential of the cold. Now, my friends, we reach the pinnacle of the cold shower challenge. If you're feeling truly adventurous, try a full cold shower. Turn the knob to cold, and embrace the invigorating chill for the entire duration of your shower. This is the ultimate test of your resilience, a plunge into the depths of the cold's power. Remember, this is a challenge, not a requirement. Listen to your body, respect its limits, and celebrate every step you take on this invigorating journey. Remember that jolt of energy, that rush of aliveness we talked about? That's the power of the cold, a force that can transform your body and mind. By incorporating cold showers into your daily routine, you're not just cleansing your body, you're strengthening your willpower, boosting your energy, and enhancing your overall well-being. Try these tips, experiment, find what works best for you, and share your experiences with others. Remember, the greatest growth comes from stepping outside your comfort zone